This is why you need this quick microwave cleaning hack in your life. Here's a game changer. Grab a bowl, fill it with water, and toss in a few lemon slices. Pop it in the microwave and zap it for 3 minutes. Watch out, it's gonna get steamy. The steam loosens up all that icky grime. And the best part? Your microwave will smell lemony fresh. Once it's done, carefully take out the bowl. It's hot. Give the inside a quick wipe with a cloth, and voila! Clean, fresh, and easy. No more scrubbing for hours. Try it out and thank me later. Happy cleaning, everyone. End.